I'm here. I'm standing with my brothers, sisters, and siblings in Iran as they fight for the end of the Islamic regime and for the freedoms and rights of women and all people. People are angry. They have had enough. They have had enough of the violence, the brutalization, the torture, and the government denying any wrongdoing, gaslighting its citizens.
हम इस वक्त टाइम्स स्क्वायर पे न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स की बिल्डिंग के बाहर मौजूद हैं, जहाँ पे ईरान में होने वाले हुकूमत मुखालिफ एहतजाज से इज़हार यकजहती करने के लिए लोग जमा हुए हैं। इरानियन अमेरिकन जो यहाँ पे स्कूल जाते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, वो स्टूडेंट्स बड़ी तादाद में यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं। इसके अलावा मुख्तलिफ ह्यूमन राइट्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले अमेरिकन भी यहाँ जमा हुए हैं। ये महसा अमीनी की डेथ के ख़िलाफ़ ईरान में होने वाले एहतजाज के अंदर अपना हिस्सा डाल रहे हैं और उसे सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। Hi, what's your name?
My name is Anahita Munfarid.
Okay, and why are you here? What are you protesting for?
I'm here. I'm standing with my brothers, sisters, and siblings in Iran as they fight for the end of the Islamic regime and for the freedoms and rights of women and all people. I was born in Iran, in Tehran, where Mahsa Amani, Jina Amani was killed.
Now we're here, and this is not only in here, it's all throughout Iran, and all Iranians throughout the world are trying to get together and talk against the oppression that this regime is forcing on Iranian people around the world.
I feel very strongly that this is a really important moment for the women of Iran and that everybody should be listening and supporting them. I'm here to do that bit.
But more than that, I think the people in Iran are hopeful. They have all come together in solidarity. I have never seen so many men standing up for women's rights, and it is beautiful and it is powerful. And I think more than anything, the people in Iran are hopeful.
Can we see your placard?